This is red apple candy concentrate. And this is tangerine candy concentrate. And this is Anthias ColorShift. So what happens when you mix all three of these together? We have no idea, but we're gonna find out today. So a bunch of times in the past, we've taken candy concentrates and mixed them with color shifting pearls. And it changes and alters that color shifting pearl in really unexpected, very cool ways. So the reason we chose Anthias for this is because it has a little bit of everything. It has reds, it has pinks, it has purples, it has blues, it has ambers. Did I leave anything out?
No.
So we wanted to know, out of the tangerine and apple candies, what colors out of the Anthias are going to be enhanced and which ones are going to get canceled out. There's only one way to find out. So we're going to go with a full 50 gram per gallon load of Anthias on this one. And Gabe was saying we really have to do a full load because if the candy overpowers the pearl, we're just going to be looking at like a dark mess on the Evo over a black base. The pearl has to play a role. We're not asking or looking for the candy to take over this project. We're just looking for it to modify the Anthias. So let's get this mixed up a little bit. Very dense, very saturated pearl. You can start seeing all of those little swirls and tones mixing around. Gosh, this is a lot of pearl. And then let me show you Anthias on its own, just so you can see what the foundation or the starting point is. So here's Anthias on its own. And you'll see right away there's a lot going on. You got some of this, and then back here you got some of that. And then depending on warm lighting, cool lighting, Anthias can show you just about a little bit of everything. So now the question is, how much of each candy are we putting in? These are not new. We've had them in the warehouse for a while now, and I only have so much of the red. So my gut would say to use all of what we have.
Okay.
Gabe doesn't like that, and I don't blame him. Can I open it? Oh! Okay, that wasn't supposed to happen. It's supposed to be a screw top. But that's a sign that I should use all of it. So, all right. Here's the candy apple red. More? I'm just going to go. All right, that's the red. We have a lot more tangerine than we do red. So let's get, I'm going to make a mess. Let's get that blended up. Thank you. And let's just see how the red changes things. It should deepen it. It should darken it. And it should obviously make those red, rose, and pink hues start really firing off. All right, I'm already seeing a bit of a change. Now we get to the tangerine side. We've already got a fair amount of candy in there, so we don't want to go nuts.
Look at that stick.
Holy crap. Okay. Tangerine. Okay, got
Well,
the cap
do we want to
off.
be equal with this, or do we want to just introduce a little bit?
Yes. Ah?
Sure.
Okay, let's see what that did. Let's see what that did. Let's get this mixed up a little. I didn't see a huge, oh, it's darker.
Oh, yeah.
Holy crap.
I mean, look at the stick.
Oh, wow. All right. So, stick of truth with the candy and the pearl. Oh, it's much deeper. Much more, it's like a hyper purpley violet extravaganza. So, there's not much left here, but let me show you. Oh my gosh, yeah, okay. We made some changes here. So you're not gonna really see what this is gonna look like until we get it down on a car. But I think we're in a good spot, right?
I hope so.
Okay, well, Gabe's confidence level is not exactly beaming right now, but we've got Anthias, we've got tangerine, we've got candy apple red, we've got our Evo right here with a black base. Are you ready to go?
I'm ready.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Now, when we do random experiments like this, where we put together different combinations of components, the best case scenario is that we get an end result or a color that we couldn't have gotten in any other way. That's exactly what happened this time, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the end result. So take a good look at the car and leave a comment below. I want to know what you think. Rate it for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you don't. And if you want to play with any of our paints, we've got all of our colors in peelable and in permanent kits that include everything you need to get the job done. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had an absolute blast in this project, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. I will see you on the next one.